Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about interview activities, right? Like what is the interview process? In that first round is aptitude test. For that aptitude test, how to crack, I said already about 5 best books, right? And now today I would like to make you understand about second round of interview. That is group discussion. That is also called GD. GD. Okay. Now here let me start with this GD. Now what is the meaning of GD and what is the difference between GD and debate and why they put GD in interview sessions. Now first round of interview. In interviews, wherever you go, if you prefer maximum BPO companies, they must deal with this session. That means group discussion is very important. First round is aptitude, I said already about this. Second round is GD. And if you are going for some technical rounds, that is also fine, but if you are going for BPOs, it is very most important round is GD. And why they put group discussion? I said again and again, depends on requirement, they have to filter the candidates. For making the filter, they need to put lot of rounds of interview, GD or jam round, and fourth round is HR personal round, HR round, right? Now here GD means group discussion. I said group discussion and debate. What is the main difference between group discussion and debate? And first of all, group discussion means, let me take you here. Group discussion means we have to say our personal opinion about a topic. That is called group discussion. Group discussion means we have to raise a point that should be our opinion only. We should not argue with the person. We have to just say about our opinion. That is called group discussion. And okay, fine, group discussion means okay, we have to put our opinion, put our point of views. That is called group discussion, fine. But why they put group discussion in interview session? What is the importance there? Because if I want to work there, then I have to know about the project or how to convince the clients and how to talk to customers. These are the important things I have to follow, I have to know. But by this group discussion, how can they calculate us? Means how can they judge us? Means here some points are there. Group discussion means they can easily observe the leadership qualities, whether you are sufficient for the leadership position or not. They can easily get the point by using this. Then how? Group discussion means if you take 5 people or 10 people or 15 people are there. Okay, example, depends on company, it differs. The 5 people, 10 people and 15 people. And in this 5 people or 10 people or 15 people, group discussion means how they put. They have to put some round table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you take 10, okay, 10 people are there here and you are here. Group discussion means all should have to talk on one topic. They give one topic. Each and everybody, 10 people should talk on this topic. Sometimes they give some time, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can just prepare and do. Sometimes they may not give, because jam round is there. It is also very important thing. The jam round, this is the thing we can easily understand, means how we spontaneously we can talk, they can easily understand. So group discussion also maximum they don't give time. Very less times, means it depends on their requirement and their timings. They may give some time. If they give time, that is a good point, good opportunity to us. So that's why you have to utilize the timing. Now group discussion one topic. If you take any India topic, this is a very easy topic, so that's why I'm going to make you understand. India topic they give. Okay, in this, by using this group discussion, how can they calculate leadership qualities? Leadership qualities means, first one, starting or initiation. Starting, also called initiation, should be very important. Conclusion should be very important. These two are very important, and let me explain you here some points. Okay, first point is initiation. Second one, conclusion should be very important. And here every point is like eye contact should be very clear. Tone of voice should be very important, where we have to use high pitch, where we have to use low pitch. And first greeting should be very important. Give respect to others. Respect to others. Support everyone. Everyone. Time limit is very, very important. Time limit should be very important. Agree with everybody. Agree with everybody. Lot of points are there in this. Let me start with this. Initiation. The person who starts this group discussion topic should be very, very important. Initiation should be very important, means starting. Whoever starts, that starting should be very important and impressive. They have to give first greeting should be important. Hello friends, good morning. Because in the group discussion topic, for an interview there is no age group, right? There is no equal age group is there or any other age group is there. There is nothing in that rule. So in that different age may be there, age people may be there. So in that we have to give respect to others. Hello friends, good morning one and all. Today I would like to share my opinion about this India topic, right? And we have to start with the some points, and time limit should be important because we have to give chance to others. Give chance to others. And 11th one is emotions should be important. We should not be emotional. Emotions should not allow. Because some people, if I give any women empowerment topic, okay, some girls or ladies may get some emotional. It should not be there. And one more thing is, if I give any politics topic is there, okay, if I give any politics topic, some people may go into some personal way. Should not allowed here personal things, and should not go to personal. Should not be personal. First of all, initiation should be important and conclusion should be, whoever concludes that, means completes that or closes that, should be very, very important. And here one more thing is, in that group discussion topic, every time we cannot get the first position, like first starting initiation. Sometimes we will be the last, sometimes we will be in the middle. So how to start and how to continue also, how to conclude also. Three things we have to understand. If you are initiator, being an initiator, we must understand how to start. So that's why respect everyone and should say greetings to everyone. And if you have to give conclusion, means we have to agree with every point. Yes, all my dear friends, I always agree with your point, and you have to just continue with it, whatever you want to say. Because if you are an initiator, you can say lot of points. India is our country, and there are a lot of languages are there, lot of regions are there, right? Lot of tourist places are there, and our Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, and Ramnath Kovind, our President, is our President, and lot of things we can easily say if you are an initiator. And sometimes you may get conclusion. By getting conclusion also something important and positive point, because whatever the 9 people already said about that, you have to just mix that, mingle that, and you can easily speak. But here one point is presentation. How we are presenting ourselves is very important, because everybody can speak about India, everybody knows about India. Still you are speaking about India, or you are talking on the topic India, means you have to be present very well. Your presentation should be very, very good. Then only you can get good marks, good score, and good impression from the interviewers. There you have to just show your skills. It is not about topic. Of course you have the topic content also, but still you should have skills so that you can present well. You can easily get the opportunity. You have to utilize the opportunity. Okay, initiation should be very good, conclusion should be good. Eye contact, you have to just talk to everyone, you have to look at everyone, and should not be serious or anything. That means should not be emotional or should not be serious, and should be tone of voice should be where we have to give high pitch, where we have to give low pitch. And while talking on topic, we have to just make them understand by hand movements. You have to just use hand movements, eye contact, facial expressions, smile. You have to always maintain smile on your face. Maintain smile. Very important for making them impress. Next, why? Because leadership qualities, here I said already, this is the main point. Leadership qualities, they observe. Leadership skills, they observe by getting group discussion topic. Why? Because how you are treating your people, your team members, and how you are giving respect, how you are supporting others. If one person is not able to involve into that matter, you have to just make them involve. Hi Vamsi, may I know your opinion about this, please? You have to just make them involve. If they are getting bored also, if they are getting not interested to involve also, you have to let them involve. That thing you have to do. That is your responsibility, right? That is called group discussion. That is the leadership quality. Sometimes you may not, or you don't need to involve, make them involve, but sometimes you need to support and you need to let them involve. That is also very important in this. Greetings, respect others, support everyone. Time limit is very important. If any something, for example, any favorite stars, if you take any favorite cricketer, Kohli or Sachin Tendulkar, anything if you take, some people may involve lot of times, and if I give like politics topic, some people may involve personally and they will say about their opinion and lot of points. It should not be there, because time limit should be very important. If you are more than time means if you take for example 5 minutes, depends on people and depends on their office, interviewer gives the time, we have to just make it, they divide and we have to get the time. Understand my point? 10 people are there, 30 minutes is there, 10 into 3, 30, 3 minutes you have to talk, and you have to just pass it through other person. Should not take 6 minutes or 10 minutes topic, right? That is also very important. Agree with everyone, whatever they say you have to agree with that point. If you like or not, that is it doesn't matter, you must agree with that point. And chance, you have to give chance to others. This is very important. Some people, if they involve also, they don't give the chance. It will be like maximum, as I saw lot of people, once I give that any group discussion topic, they take it into personal and they change it into, or they modify into argument like debate. It should not be there. Maximum they may change. So at that time only self control is very important. Self control is very important. In this self control also very important, and self confidence should be very important. Self confidence. First we should be confident on us. Then automatically everything will be alright. First we should believe ourselves. Easily I can talk. And public speaking skill, these are also. And how you are sitting position also very important. How you are sitting. Sitting position means we have to sit proper way. Should be sit in a proper way and should not, right, lean or anything. We should be very fit. That is very important. Dressing style also very important. Everything matters here. Everything is important here. Initiation, conclusion, eye contact, tone of voice, greetings, respect others. Whether you are an initiator or concluder, like closing, conclusion if you take, or in the middle also, these all are very important, because in the middle also you are getting opportunity. So that's why you need to express your opinion. And main point is group discussion means we have to express our opinion, personal opinion, that's it. Maximum people, they are doing mistakes here only, they don't agree with that points, or it will be like they are making into debate and argument. It should not be there. That's why self control is very important and self confidence should be very important. Time limit should be important, right? This is about group discussion. This is the second round in interview session, right? In BPOs or some companies they may follow. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much. And one more main important thing is, by using this group discussion, you can easily understand or getting the skills all over soft skills. Understand my point? If you follow just group discussion perfectly, you can easily cover communication skills, you can easily cover soft skills, everything you can easily cover. If you are 100% perfect in group discussion, every public speaking skills also, interview skills also, convincing skills also, everything you can easily cover by doing this group discussion. that much important. Leadership skills also, everything you can easily cover by this group discussion topic. Okay, thank you so much.